That's a pretty good bend right there. Oh, that's not good. I'm gonna shut this off. Okay, car's here. We're gonna have to see if it'll start on its own or if it has to be jump started or what. Hey, how's it? Yeah, I'm gonna back this out and then realign it. We'll just pull right in here. Okay, 2014 Subaru is here. Paid $100 for this car, and it runs and drives. We will take a look here in a second. And he's pulling it in right now. Nope. Okay. Good. Yeah, I'm pretty sure this won't take a lot to fix. Yep. The body's in pretty good condition. Interior's okay. Bumper's been smacked once. Did this window, was that down all the time?
Down, yeah.
Okay, all right. Yeah, that fender's definitely pushed over. Unless we can pull those things over. That's a pretty good bend right there. Take all this apart. But I only paid $100 for it, so. And like I said, the hood, it's bent, but there's no hard bends on it. Yeah, I pay $167 for shipping. Yeah.
Okay.
All right, thanks. I appreciate it. Did they give you any paperwork?
Did you book me a mail with you?
Yeah, I just hadn't seen it yet. So, all right, thank you. Okay. Got the bumper cover right there. Got the mats. Those are not WeatherTech mats like I thought. Those are just like you buy rubber mats from AutoZone type stuff. Interior is in good shape. Headliner's in good shape. This one doesn't actually have a sunroof in it like usual, so that's good. Not sure what this is. That's interesting. Okay, this doesn't have. Okay, so we don't have a rear. We don't have a backup camera. It's got winter tires on it. They're not bad tires either, the Toyos. Electric Electric e-brake. It's a really small stereo. No iPod. It's got a weird smell to it, and I know that smell, but I can't think of what it is. Ignition, lights work, door. The extension. Actually, I might swap those out for mine. I don't think mine has that. Interesting. So you can see that 187, 367, 314, 25. This thing was just wrecked. I can definitely feel the whole car move when I turn that steering wheel. It does have the paddle shifting. Half tank. I don't know if it has I don't know if it has any fluid in it or not. AC. Let's see if the AC actually blows cold. Let's push up. I actually kind of like where they have the clock and the miles too and all that fun stuff right there, because it's down here like in this area on the 2017, and you can see it only like half the time. Right there you can definitely see it all the time. It does have the auto lights on it. I don't know if it has the auto dim or not. Let's see what we get here. Well, that's definitely cold, and I think it feels like it's colder than it is outside, which is a good sign, because that means that maybe the radiator is still intact also. Okay, it does have just the old school plug-in for the lighter, but I mean the dash is quite similar to the 2017. But not a huge difference in the interiors. That's big, and then it does have a USB down there. It's a USB-C or the USB-A, but still. I think. Looks like that's working okay. And we'll turn up and see if we get any heat. Yeah, we've got heat, so that means that we may not actually have, we may not need a radiator. But the downside is the frame rails are bent, so I'm gonna have to cut off the frame rails, put new frame rails in.
Is there tree smoke in here?
It's got cigar smoke to it. That's what that smoke is. It's cigar smoke. Huh? Because my friend's dads used to. So let's pop the. Can you see if the. Yeah, that works. And that's already open. So I'm gonna go ahead and shut the car off. Well, we can let it run for a minute. It doesn't have a temp gauge on it, so I really can't see, but it doesn't say cold on it. So we'll have to see if it heats up. Well, Mia didn't stay out here long. So this is for the headlight. We're not even gonna mess with that. This goes straight to the garbage. It sounds good. Might have a slightest of misses. We don't know for sure. Running a little rich, but it's definitely not. And I think that this can be repaired. So we can repair this in those spots. So that saves us from having to buy a bumper cover. Shocks are good on the trunk lid. So no tail lights. Tail lights are all good. Rear bumper cover is good. Just need to sand that down, repaint it. Yeah, all the glass is good. Got a little bit of rust to it, and it's got some discoloration right in here. I don't know if you can see it, but the discoloration, like the oranges and reds, changes. And then this one's got the slightest amount of rust. I don't see any rust anywhere else on the corners or anything like that. I think we're good on that. Fueler. Let's pull this up real quick and let's make sure we have. Oh, that's not good. I'm gonna shut this off. And what I'm saying is not good is there is a wire right down here. Let's see if we can get it. It's running right on that pulley. You see that wire, the orange or red right there? It's right on the pulley. And that's to the fans. So the fans actually look good. Zoom back out again. Fans look good. Not broken. Radiator. I don't know, there's a little bit of liquid right here. Not too much. Let's see. There's fluid in the reservoir. So we will pull all this out before we start working on it. We'll have to degas the AC and all that, but at least it's holding. Someone may or may not have worked on this before. That does not sit right. Engine oil 020. That's a newer oil filter. So this is spitting off dust right here from the belt because there's a wire rubbing up against it. So it's going to do that. Man, that reel is bent hard. I don't know if you guys can see it, but it's bent to the left hard. I was hoping it was just the bumper laid over on its side. That is certainly not that. So we'll see what we can do with the frame straightener first. Pretty sure that rail just needs to be cut off and we start over. It's crimped right there. It's exactly where it's crimped at. But damage could go further back than that. That's actually in front of the subframe. So we might actually get lucky on that and just replace in front of the subframe. Anyway. So there's some good, some bad to it. it's all repairable. Not for a lot of people, but I can definitely still repair this. Still got snow on the ground. It's kind of hard to walk around, but yeah. Yeah, what can you expect for $100? It's pretty amazing. I gotta put that window up, and we'll close it up for the day. Now we're inside the fence. It does actually start quick and easy and runs nice, so. I'm gonna cut that off and get a new one. 1 second. Actually, we can just take this key off. There we go. I don't like how that's closing. It really sounds hollow. Nice. I don't know why, but the trunk keys there, the trunk button rarely ever works on it, but it works on this one. And we locked it. It's all good.
Hey everyone, this is Jesse again, and I want to thank everybody from the bottom of my heart. I want to let everybody know that I really appreciate the fact that we actually hit 100 subscribers this week. We have a lot coming up. I have a new vehicle, and this is a run drive, and it's going to be pretty amazing. So I do have the frame rails also ordered for the 2014 Legacy as well. I also sold the 2013 Subaru Crosstrek. So those are all updates coming up really soon. So stick with us. I want to say I appreciate you. Please like the video, and we'll see you on the next one. Talk to you soon.